Do you have lumps in any part of your body? Be it the lumps that are painful and the ones that are painless. Like some people have lumps here. You look at their neck is swollen. You look at someone's hand is swollen, the armpit, the head. Be it cancer lumps on your breast, your leg, anywhere that you have that something has swollen, any part of your body that is inflamed, that's a lump. We have different kinds of lump, but any kind that you have, please just follow this video, watch this video, and see how you can use natural herbal remedy and you dissolve that lump. So follow me. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. For those who are watching without subscribing, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post an important video like this, because this video is very important. So many people are suffering from lumps. There are two common natural items that you can use and you dissolve lump effectively. That lump in your body, be it goiter, hyperthyroidism lump, or cancer lump, those are difficult lumps. Even cyst lump, those are difficult lumps to treat, but this herbal solution will treat it for you, will dissolve it for you effectively. So what are the two items? We have pork root. Go to your Google and Google about pork root. Pork root dissolve anything that can be dissolvable, dissolve it in your system. So we have pork root and we also have castor oil. So it's a combination of pork root and castor oil that will effectively dissolve that lump for you. Don't panic. Don't be afraid. Even if it's cancer lump, don't be afraid. Use pork root and castor oil. How are you going to use it? You get your pork root. The quantity should not be too much. Your castor oil should be more than the pork root. Like you can get a liter of castor oil. A liter will be too much for one person, except you want to sell. But if it's for your personal use, you can get 250 mils of castor oil. Good original castor oil. Yes, my original castor oil, 250 mils. And you get pork root, just small quantity of pork root, not much, just small quantity of pork root like this. Then you have to grind that pork root. Grind is very strong. You have to struggle, use a grater and grind it very well. Then when you have ground it now, you sieve to get the fine flour. Then you get your 2.5 mils of castor oil and you infuse the pork root inside. You leave it there for 2 weeks. Don't use it immediately. Leave it for 2 good weeks. You can be shaking it every day so that the castor oil and the pork root will be very effective. It will infuse in it and it will be very effective. Then you use it now and massage that lump. Just take it every morning and every evening. You wash your hands and you do a simple massage the lump every morning, and you can massage for 10-15 minutes and you leave it like that. Gradually you see how the lump will be dissolving. Gradually it will dissolve until finally the lump will be over. You will not see it again. I bet you, even if it's cancer lump, try it and you will testify about it. So this is a mixture that I've already done. As if you look at it carefully, you see the pork roots there. It's a mixture that I've already done. The pork root is inside and inside the castor oil. This one is my own that I'm selling. Very people have used it and within 1 month they don't have anything that is called lump. Any kind of lump, they don't have it again on their body. So if you cannot get your pork root and your castor oil, you can still buy from me directly. Yes, just write in the comment section that you need lump dissolver. That's the name. It is written there, Lumbs dissolver. Effectively dissolve any lump in your system. So thank you guys for watching. As I said earlier, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post an important video like this one. Thank you for watching. Waiting for you in my next video.